welcome into Rock Painting 101. Today's tutorial is a fun little octopus. We're doing a little bit of a cross-hatching style when we color him in, and we're going to step through this one little baby step at a time so that you can create your own fun octopus rock. These are great because you can really have them fill in the shape no matter what size and shape your rock is. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We have a few more fun under the sea themed rocks that will be coming out soon. Now I've been doing a lot of really quick and easy ocean inspired rocks. So today this one's no exception. He's super cute, he's really fun, and I'm going to use a fun cross hatching way of coloring him in. So first thing we're going to do is get the body of our octopus on here. Now, depending on the shape of your rock is where you're really going to want to place him. But you just want to start by giving yourself a nice big round circular shape, okay? Now, you're going to add to it to kind of make it more like a hot air balloon. You see that? Now from here, you're going to start to add your legs on. Now I've got two separate colors to kind of distinguish the front side and the back side of your leg. So you can have a few coming out to the front and a few that will end up in the back. So right off the bat, off the very front, we want to have a few kind of going crazy, right? So we're just going to lay those in like so. We can have it curling way up like this. A couple way out to the sides. You can really fill the space of your rock with these fun arms here. Like so. Okay, so there's the four that are kind of in the front, and then we're going to have some that are in the back. First, we're going to color in our front ones, so we don't forget what's the front and which ones are in the back. So I'm going to use like a cross hatching, and so I'm just going to do vertical, or not vertical or horizontal, diagonal lines along the front sides of both my octopus body and the legs. So I'll start all the way over here, and this is a very sketching style way of coloring, but since I'm working on this beautiful flat white rock, letting a little bit of this rock and sparkle come through, it's going to be kind of pretty. So I'm just going to go like this on these legs, like so, just so I know, okay, these are my front legs, and I'm going to use the same direction of strokes all the way through. I'm also going to do it here on my octopus body as well, like so. Okay, we're going to go back and do them the opposite direction a little bit, but for now we just want to have those placed. Now I'm going to take my second color. Now these are the ones that are kind of coming out from behind that you might sort of see sneaking in below, and the back sides of them are going to be blue. I'm actually going to add a couple peekaboo spots of blue on these purple ones that we have already, just to help show that that's just the underside showing through, like so. All right, so now we're going to go in, we're going to do some blue legs kind of squiggling, but they're going to be behind these. So we'll go up and down back here, and they could pop out down here maybe, and we'll go ahead and cross that in real quick. Maybe we have one just coming straight out to the side over here, barely sticking out on this side. Remember, we're just sketching these in. We're going to clean all this up in a little bit. Can have another one that's just coming, maybe it's going way up back here into the side. All right, and then we can have one maybe that's curling up in a way and even going off the side of the rock a little bit over here. Okay, so those are our back legs. So now we're going to come in with our purple. We're going to outline them. We're going to do the back legs first, and then we cross back over with our front. Okay, so again, here we're going to outline this leg. It's going to go up and around and down. Then we're going to come back with the top layer on top, so we don't have any of that under. We can go and outline the back side even of that, just like that. So it's not just floating blue out there. Okay. And got one more over here. Okay. So now that we've got our basic shapes lined on here, we're going to go back and we're going to color in a little bit more. So we're going to start by cross hatching with the light blue because we want the purple to be the top color. But we are going to put some of that into our main octopus here. So we're going to go the opposite direction like so on our octopus. Like that. And then we're going to go across our blue legs. Like so, in the opposite direction. We'll make them almost filled in. But again, I want this little bit of stone showing through. So you could definitely fill these in all the way if you wanted to. I just really love the sparkle of this stone. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the purple. Okay, we're gonna go along the same way with this blue this way. And across the rest of the body this way, and then I'm going to go back this way across the blue too. So it pushes it back just a little bit. Obviously, the closer together your lines are, the thicker the color gets, and then it pulls what you want the attention to the front, like so. Okay, we are already almost done with this design. Super easy, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to come back with blue one more time in here. I want some more blue in this main body, just a little bit up to that edge. Make sure you doodle off the tip if you're going wet on wet. Okay. All right, so I've got to let this dry, and then we are going to line our octopus and give him some eyes. So give him just a second to dry here. We'll be right back at it. Okay, so now that we're to the back legs, we're just gonna make sure we don't cross over any of our front legs. So you're just gonna go and you're gonna connect, drop below, connect, come above, like so. Last but not least, we've gotta give him a little face, right? So I'm gonna go in here, give him a nice little cute smile. We're gonna do some real big black eyes here. Make sure if you're using your micron right on top of the paint like this that you doodle off the tip. You don't want to get any paint dried on the tip of your pen. All right, we gotta let that dry just a smidge, and we gotta give him a highlight. It will really pop on this white rock too. So that pen dries fairly quick. And then we're just gonna go right in with our white and kind of give them a nice dot highlight. And I think I went in too fast. I do that all the time, you guys. If you watch my videos, you know I get impatient. Well, I just did there. So we're gonna let that dry. I'll come back and redot those eyes and then show it off at the very end. But isn't he fun? He's really cute. And like I said, you can make him fit onto any rock, any size of rock or shape of rock that you have. And he fits right in with the rest of our under the sea rocks. So I'll fix those eyes and show them in the picture at the end with the fixed eyes. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. And there's more fun sea creatures on their way. So make sure to roll right into one of those. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.